Hi everyone! Ayan, kumusta pong lahat? Ayan, have a good day, have a good time to all of you guys. Today is a special day na naman namin ng aking my loves na si my loves Rhea Gallo. Ayan, pasensya na po sa background ko guys ha, kasi medyo magulo. Pero anyway, maraming salamat sa patuloy na nagsusupport sa aking channel. Ayan, sa aming channel ng aking my loves. Ayan. So anyway, aalayan ko siya ng isang song. Kasi nga mansari na naman namin. So, try ko lang po yung Tagalog version ng Ordinary Song. Ayan. So, let's do it. Ang Tagalog title nung ngayon, Ang Awit Ko Sa'yo. Agoy ang kumasa. Let's do it. Po kasi pa yung Tagalog version niya pero napaka-meaningful po yung lahat ng lyrics niya. Ayan, thank you for watching guys and once again, happy Mansari Mahal. I love you and always take care. Babus! Thank you for watching also guys and please always continue to support. Thank you and much love. God bless.